people of the world, what's up? And I'd like to welcome you guys back here in my channel. And to those who just visited, welcome and thank you so much guys for tuning in. And before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more food updates. And if you have any comments and suggestions on what to cook next, don't forget to hit us up and let us know down in the comment section. My name is Michael, but my friends call me TT. I am a band performer and a fashion photographer and now a content creator. I'm no chef, I just love to eat, therefore I love to cook, and I welcome you to my kitchen. And I am back! Yay! And ika nga sa kanta, the rainy days are here once again. So, since it's already rainy season, ibig sabihin, taglamig. When we say taglamig, cuddle weather. Sana all. Aside from cuddle weather, of course, we are also looking for something warm to drink. And one in particular is coffee. Wow. But if you're a coffee lover, it really doesn't matter kung malamig, mainit, super black, wala o merong asukal, as long as you have a dose of caffeine in your system. However, since it's still quarantine, we can go to coffee shops anytime we want kasi limited yung galaw natin. So how about we'll just make our own at the comfort of our own homes. So ngayon, gagawa tayo ng milk and coffee jelly. So quick and easy to prepare, so affordable, and super yummy. But before we proceed in making our yummy concoction, let's give a special shout out to some of these amazing people. A big shout out to Ate Lanie and Kuya Delgie. Thank you so much Ate Lanie and Kuya Delgie for all the support and love you've given me and my band. Next, a big shout out to Kevin, Diano, and Tazkie Morales of PCX Cebu Exclusive. Ayan, palagi yung magdadag-like sila. Thank you so much Tazkie and Kevin for the support. More rights and we'll see you soon. Next is Gladys. Yes, si Gladys na kapatid ni Anjin. Thank you so much Gladys at nagustuhan mo yung mga crepe rolls. Ayan, thank you. Next is si Yves. Ayan, si Yves who's also into cooking. I can't wait and I'm so excited to be cooking with you side by side. Ayan, you'll be my first guest dito sa kitchen ko. Again, thank you so much. Last but definitely not the least, si Dan. Ayan, so I made this episode because Dan is a cofeeholic. It really doesn't matter as long as he has coffee and he's off to go. So Dan, this is for you. So I guess that's it. Without any further ado, let's get started. At ayan na, tapos na ang ating milk and coffee jelly. Magpabugnaw na ta. Tara! And if you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more food updates. Until our next video,